It's weirdly quiet today. What the hell?
Oops, my bad. You're bad. You're bad? You just crashed into my house, you.
Whoa, what's happening here?
This idiot crashed into my house. I said I was sorry. Damn, what happened here? This idiot. Man, you don't need to explain. I think I can tell.
What the? Who are you?
I guess we haven't met yet. I'm Oscar. The twin brother of Thunderfart over here. I will laser you, dude. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, who are you?
I'm JJP.
Nice. Gotta admit, you have a pretty cool paint job. Anyways, you wanna catch a blocky cola before my brother explodes?
Sure.
I'm a firing my laser!
Of him, ugh. Oh boy.
I'm a firing my laser!
And then he exploded.
The end.